Slovenia.
Recept has been one of my favorites, along with Kratska Kolbasa.
Juho. Gobovo juho.
Žlik, Horofi, Gibanica.
Yeah. Nothing yet.
Okay, good. So this will be
first time for me.
Strukli's okay. Different types of Strukli.
The barley, and you have the crackling on top, and it was Velika Planina.
Nice. Oh, nice. Kako se reči po slovensko?
No, don't we put this first? And then just put this on top?
Žanci.
What do we have?
Oh, hey, this is it.
Ah.
Kisem mleko. Sour milk. Dober tek. Paula?
Dober tek.
Yeah, double check.
It's quite crunchy.
Yeah, it kind of looks like sausage, but I know it's not.
We had this up in the mountains. I like it.
Not too shabby.
It is not sausage.
It's good.
Yeah, I liked it. I mean, I forgot it was buckwheat and not barley.
I think I've had this at Shmorna Gora.
Nice thin slices of meat.
I'm gonna guess.
I see taste buds.
Bucciolo oile?
I have no idea what it is, though.
I don't either. Gonna end up finishing it again.
Want to know what it is?
I would love to know.
Okay, so this is beef tongue.
Beef. And
Goat beef tongue?
Hren? Horseradish? No?
It's really good, actually. I like the green sauce a lot with it.
You're going to tell me this is like beef tongue or something.
It is beef tongue.
I knew it!
Blutwurst. Blood sausage.
This was the one I was hoping to avoid.
Yeah. Is it onion?
Oh, it's not dessert. I was gonna say it looks like it looks chocolate.
It's growing on me. It tastes better as I eat more.
See, finish that one.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
Looks good. Smells good.
It does smell good.
Is this some kind of sausage?
Blood sausage.
Blood sausage for sure.
With sauerkraut.
Sauerkraut, you can smell that.
I don't taste the, like blood has that kind of iron taste. I don't.
Žlikrofi. Have you had žlikrofi?
I don't think I have.
Like a
Noodle?
some kind of stuffed
Ravioli?
noodle. Yeah.
Homemade ravioli?
Very tender.
Žlikro.
So this is horse.
It's better. Last time I had horses in Tajikistan, and it was a massive meatloaf that was very stringy still. So, much better.
Medved.
Giddy up.
Prekmurska Gibanica, yeah?
Poppy seed, apple.
I think it's the poppy seeds really do it to Americans. We're used to more of a sweeter tasting desserts, where this one's more of a savory dessert.
Yeah, it's not my favorite. It's not.
Oh, really hot.
Really?
I don't know if I tasted it and burnt my tongue.
It's delicious.
Very good.
This is really good, though. I like it. On duty.
It's a little stronger than most I've tried.
That's pretty good.
I like it, but there's no way I would drink the whole thing at once.
It'll warm you up.
I like to sip it.